Hi there, my name is Julian and I'm really excited to welcome you to BlogVault. We've built a lot of crazy cool features for you, and over the next 90 seconds I'm going to show you how BlogVault can help improve your website in many more ways than you thought of. First of all, let's talk about the backup of your site that we're making right now. This backup will be stored in an encrypted format on our secure servers, separate from your live website. We also take a backup of this backup to another server, so even if we go down, your website is always safe. This means that your backups are always super secure, safe, and easily restorable. But that's just the start. I know that you'll be making changes on these websites from time to time, so all the new content and changes you add will also be automatically backed up daily. This means that anytime your website crashes, you can restore it to the latest version with just one click. Our backups work with all kinds of WordPress sites, WooCommerce, multi-sites, and even enormous sites that are multiple GBs in size. More importantly, no matter how heavy your sites may be, none of our processes will slow down your site ever. You see, over the last 10 years, we've backed up more than 1 million sites, including many of which are over 100 GB in size. And BlogVault never affects any site's performance because we take incremental backups that cause minimal load on your website. This means that your site loads fast, your visitors don't experience a lag, but you are still safe. Secondly, here's something that will save you a ton of time and effort. You can update all of your website plugins, themes, and WordPress core files for all of your websites from just one place, from the BlogVault dashboard. And anytime you observe an incompatible plugin update causing an issue, you can easily roll back just that one plugin. Better still, you can actually test out everything you want on staging. BlogVault offers free staging for you to test out new themes, plugin updates, and much more, without ever having to worry that your live site may crash. Plus, when you're done testing, you can merge the changes easily without having to do the steps again. You can even migrate your live site to an entirely new web host or server in just a few clicks. In fact, even major web hosts all over the world use our technology to power their migrations for their customers because we make it so reliable, fast, and easy to do. There are a lot of other cool features we've added, such as if you have a WooCommerce website, we have a plan that offers real-time backups. So anytime your website crashes, you don't have to worry about losing critical data like order history. Now, your backup should be ready soon. There is so much more under the hood, but hey, I think it'd be fun if you tinker around a bit with the BlogVault dashboard and discover the other cool features yourself. And if you need any help at all, we have a super supportive 24/7 customer care team as well as a help center to help solve any of your doubts. So this is goodbye for now. I wish you all the best and I'll see you on the other side.